Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive right on into this. Welding aluminum requires the area that you're welding to be clean. Very, very clean. And free of paint and all that stuff. So we're going to clean this. Getting down there is going to be troublesome, I know that. But it's all got to be very clean. Clean as possible. And then we got to wire brush all the paint out of here. Okay, the theory of this is, this will be put down there like this, through this. Now this is still a little tight. I went in there with everything, you name it. So that's as loose as I can get it. It's funny, it'll go in so far this way, and go as far this way. So it kind of makes me think it might be a little unstraight. Now when it's going down through here, it does fine. Now I want to clean these up. The reason I didn't clean the brakes up, because I use those as a witness mark. It's going to go back exactly like it was, or at least that's what we're hoping for. So let's get it wiped down again. That's us right there. It's all the way down the bottom. So that's going to go back stronger. What I was originally going to do is I was going to cut this out completely and put in a heavier tube, and then cut this off and weld this back on. But after what Mike Miller said, I got to thinking, I said that's probably going to be the quickest, easiest, and workable way. And this tube's not very thick, so, and that's got a good weld right here. The reason I went so far down with it, your seat post has got to go down, so that's the reason for that. A little bit of squaring up, and then that'll be it. But that's it for right now. We're going to weld it up. I'm not going to